guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my first vlog and I'm so excited. Spend a week with me as a product designer working and serving in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. As a product designer, you want to make sure that your users have a seamless experience while interacting with your product. And here I was on my second day working on site in the office, working and collaborating with teammates in order to, solve users' pain points. And this was just me enjoying the view. This is my favorite spot in the office. I always come here when I feel overwhelmed. It calms me because it's just a very beautiful view. Yeah, so this was me working, and yeah. And of course, guys, what is a work day without bole? Port Harcourt bole. Oh my god. Yeah, this was the close of work and I was getting ready to go home, and I packed my bag, did my look, checked my looks. It had to look sweet, and this was going home. So guys, on this day I work remotely. I worked from home, and after a while I took myself to the Hisense store to get a refrigerator. This was me in the Hisense store, checking out the different refrigerators that were within my budget, of course. Yeah, I checked this out. This was my first choice initially, but I kind of made a different choice afterwards after seeing the next fridge. Yeah, so this was me going about checking and seeing what else they have in store. And yeah, that was pretty much it. And at the end of the day, your girl ended up picking this just without the water dispenser part of it. Yeah, I got this exact fridge and it was so beautiful. I was so excited. Oh my god. And I was so grateful. This was just me checking out all the other things I would like to get. I would like to purchase a washing machine because it will make my life way easier. Yes, I've not checked if this thing is complete, so
Everything is so good, man.
Let's unbox my refrigerator. Guys, this was the next day. I had to leave it for 24 hours, and I just couldn't wait to open it and see how it was working. I was just so excited. So yeah, I was stocking the freezer with the stew I had made the night before, right? I came prepared though, like I wanted to know, like I really wanted to know, and of course sachet water. I needed to stock it with all that I could use for the moment, and this really fresh bread. This was so beautiful. And then I had to work, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I had to work on a project I'll be reviewing later this same day. This was a Saturday. I had to work on this project and round it up so I can review at exactly 12 p.m. Saturday, and that was it.
I already looked at it through the Figma file before, so I feel like yeah, it's on point.
All right, thank you everyone. You can always reach out to me for any concerns regarding the design.